Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Loom for recording brand design walkthroughs step by step clearly. Visit the Loom website at loom.com. Click on the Get Started button in the top right corner. Choose the Sign Up Free option to create a new account. Enter your email address and click Continue. You will receive a verification email. Check your inbox. Open the email from Loom and click on the verification link. Create a password for your new account and click Sign Up. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Loom dashboard. Select the Plans option from the left-hand menu. Review the available plans and features. Click on the Upgrade button for the plan that suits your needs. You may need to enter your payment information. Fill in the required fields for billing details. Review your order and confirm your selection. After purchasing, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the Loom dashboard to start using your account. To record a brand design walkthrough, click the New Video button. Choose your preferred recording setting for screen, webcam, or both. When ready, click Start Recording to begin your walkthrough. After recording, you can edit and share your video directly from Loom. Explore additional features like annotations and calls to action as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.